I'm always looking for ways to use my laptop more effectively, and this is the GiQ. I'm going to call it a dock. It comes with the user manual, and there's just a little slip that was on it. And this is the dock itself. It's about the size of an external hard drive. It's USB 3, but you can connect it to the USB-C if you need to. Then it's flexible, which I like, because then this can sit on your desk and it's not rigid, so this can sit any place, be plugged into your computer comfortably. Now this has got all kinds of stuff going on. We've got USB 3s, we've got headphones and a microphone, we've got VGA, Ethernet, 2 HDMIs, so that's right, you're going to get 3 monitors off your desktop if necessary. You've got a wide SD card and your TF card, and then you can pull USB-C off of it. Now, just so you know, this doesn't work. But seriously, this is a great little unit. It gives me a lot more capacity out of my laptop without much size. It's from GiQ. Hope this helps.